Today we're going to be addressing a problem that has needed to be addressed since the dawn of time, basically. I don't know, I got these wheels last year and I never addressed this issue because
he doesn't know how to get perfect fitment like me.
Because, like lots of you people, I bought wheels when my car was stock height and they fit perfectly fine. And if I bought more offset on my wheels, it would have been ugly because it would have like poked too far. Then you lower your car. When it was stock, the wheels look fine. Now when I lowered it, the wheels look like ass. Let me just, look how that needs to be fixed today. Shove your foot in there. Oh, it's gross. It really is bad. It's not horrible, okay. Get out of here. It's not, it doesn't look horrible. No one's ever like made fun of it, but it bugs me a lot because it's hard to get it on camera. There it is. Ew! The back's not as bad though. The back has more offset. The back's just like a little bit pokey. Not really. That's a nice quality shot right there. I bought the wheels first because that's my aesthetic thing, and then lowered it because I didn't want to lower it on stock wheels. You guys understand. I'm sure these people do this stuff all the time. Hey, they don't know that's a nice shirt. This is a better idea. Let's just tell them to buy a shirt. Tell them.
Don't buy a shirt.
No, that's the wrong thing.
Don't buy a shirt.
That's the wrong. No, you're telling them wrong. So today we're going to be fixing this issue with these spacers. So we got hooked up with some ISC.
Supplied, not sponsored.
Oh, this one's taped and I just ripped it. I was thinking about getting just spacers with extended lugs, but I don't know. I just didn't. So we got these guys. I got 15 mils all the way around. Come on. There we go. I got 15 mils all the way around. I think that should be enough. The front I was thinking of maybe doing a little bit more, but I don't know. We're gonna try 15, see how it goes. If it's bad, then we'll do more. I was a little sketched with doing 15s because I think it might be a little too much, but we don't really know. Show the people what happens when you get yourself a nice bucket seat and you don't splurge on a wheel. There's legit no way to get out unless you do this. And that's been my life since we put those seats in. I literally pull up at like Walmart and I have to slinky my ass out. Do it, show me. Oh, but look at your little legs. I can't do that. I got little chicken legs. Also, I had a poll today on Instagram if we should keep that yellow tint on the headlights or just take it off and paint the housing black like I was gonna do in the first place. 72% of people said ditch it for black and only 28 said keep it yellow. Okay, let's do some things. It smells like poopies out here. Did you fart? I'm taking the wheel lock off when I get new lug nuts.
Quick question. Is it easier for you to pull or push down?
It's easier for me to pull. Yep. I got a strong pull. You don't have a strong pull? You got a good push though, eh? I need to get new lug nuts. Anybody out there?
Me.
See this? Look how custy these are. Because this is what happens when you live in Ontario and you run these. I literally ran these in the summer and they got this custy. And now that we've moved out here and I know things aren't gonna rust, I need new ones. You wanna see a magic trick? If you can't get it, you just go the way it's supposed to go and then yeet. Pops right off.
Snap, there goes the fucking wheel.
It's off.
Then those fucking wheels aren't going on.
This is custy, dude. This is things you don't see on the West Coast. Look at that. That's like brand new car right there. Hey!
It's none of my business.
Are you commentating the video?
No, I'm commenting how you hate my video recording skills.
I do.
Dude, it's not gonna hit at all.
Are you sure?
Yeah, you're fine.
Okay, the one I'm worried about is the rear. Tighten my nuts. When you do this style spacer, instead of just getting an extended lug that comes through and only having like one spacer, you have like these little guys that stick out, which are like the original studs. So you need to make sure, you really need to have these cutouts. So lots of aftermarket wheels have these, like most do, have just like a little space for when the other one comes through so it has somewhere to go, but lots of wheels don't. So if you're gonna get spacers, like this, you have to make sure you have these. Otherwise, it's not gonna work. Front fitment is gonna be juicy, but the rear, I'm gonna need to either raise it or roll my fenders. Okay, dude, drop it. This one, wait, don't drop it yet. Look at this. This is 100% gonna rub. The question is, how bad? Let her down.
Drop it, like how you drop my car?
Yeah, just all at once. Is that it?
Yeah.
It bottomed out?
Yeah.
Dude, it's good. I'm gonna rub if I hit a big bump, but like,
you need this inside.
I know. I'm gonna get it rolled, but we don't have the roller today. Just like put some weight in the trunk. See how bad this. Can you pop it? You need to pop it from the door. Yeah. Just give me a good sit in the trunk. Oh! It's good. Sit back in it. Wait. We gotta get something to measure this.
I'm getting it.
Wait, we need a measuring thing. I'm using your straw. Okay, ready? No, just stay down, like jump on it. If that's down.
I'm on it.
Well, the straw fits. Do it again. Dude, it clears. I'm not kidding, it clears.
We can drive tonight?
Yeah, look, here, hold this.
Yeah? Okay.
Like, you can get right up close and just listen. Isn't that crazy? It legit clears. I'm actually like blown away that that works. This is the tightest wheel gap ever, dude, ever, but it works.
My God.
It's not.
Why is there so much noise? Fronts actually look fine. The fronts sits obviously a little higher than the back, but like the fitment is now perfect. If you look at it right here, it's like perfectly flush, and then the back pokes just a bit, but like just enough. That's what we've been going for this whole time. You can actually see it when you're behind me.
So do you need
That's mint.
25s in the front?
I don't know if I need 25s in the front. What do you guys think? I think it actually looks okay. It's like a little bit tucked, but just enough. Like, I think it's all right. But if I get rid of camber, this will stick out. I'm not a racer. I just want nice track stance.
Wanna go karting?
Okay, let's do the other side. See how they both look. So I was a little worried when we got these because ISC has 15 and 25 mils only. And I know I could have gone with another brand, but I liked the coilovers on my car, and the coilovers are ISC, and they have done me very well. And I just thought that they were a good brand, like they were a good choice for this. So I went ahead and just bought the matching spacers because I genuinely trusted them because my coils are great. And I don't know, I could have done a bunch of things. I bought these. I think they're gonna do great, just like my coils have. And I don't know, I think a 25 in the front might be just too much.
Come on, Grandpa.
Meat! Just accept it. Just accept it on your lap.
Hey Emerson, what are you doing right now?
Just clean my wheels with some good fitment wheel wax.
Yes.
You know, remember that?
Yeah.
That video?
Just a good quick detail, eh?
Quick.
I dropped my nuts.
Finally!
It's only been 21 years. Hey, thanks, man.
And then to finish it off with the matte tire shine.
Combo deal? You got the wax and the tire shine going?
Yeah, dude.
My man.
You should use
We're
my
looking
car
good.
After the trip.
Look at that. Damn.
But when it runs out, you need to get more because I definitely like that product.
How fast do you think you can get going out of this garage? Show the peeps before we run out of lights. What is that?
Between the key.
Oh, thanks. So we didn't do it today while we had the wheels off. I don't know why, but we definitely got to take these flaps off, eh? Do you agree?
Going on my car.
So this is what we're thinking. Emerson bought OEM mud flaps, right? They're just like the splash guards. They're not like mud flaps. So we're gonna take the little flappy part off and just use like the mounting brace that goes on to the curve. And then we're gonna take these flaps, mount them on the back of it, and like he'll have these flaps on there, but with an OEM style splash guard attachment. I don't even know if that makes any sense. But you guys will see it, it'll be pretty cool. But I did this, like I originally got these because when I lowered the car, the fitment was just weak and you could tell and you could see it from driving behind. But now when you're driving behind, you'll actually see like a mean stance if those aren't there. So definitely got to get rid of those. But I'm actually really happy with how this turned out. It's like a perfect fitment.
You should just leave the 15s all the way around.
Yeah, I think we're gonna leave the 15s all the way around. I was debating doing the 25s, like I said, get out of the... It'll be too much if we go for 25s in the front, so I think we're gonna leave 15s all the way around for now. Because like the front space, the front fitment is good enough. I don't think the front needs to be as tight. The back is what people see when they drive behind you. The back is no longer modest. It is like...
You know how to put on spacers. We're not making a freaking video how to put on spacers.
Yeah, this isn't the how-to. It's just a look what we did. So we got to take the mud flaps off. We got to torque these down properly because we didn't torque them down. I got to get new lug nuts because mine are greasy. At least now my fitment competes with Emerson's. Thanks to ISC for helping us out with the spacers. I think they're going to be great. I mean, they look good. They work just as I expected. The coilovers are mint. The spacers are going to be mint.
Go down, where is it? Right here. Buy yourself a shirt.
Oh, he's putting in a shirt plug. My man. Well, you're here.
I said don't buy a shirt at the beginning of the video and then I take it back. So
just buy a shirt. Just
nice,
go
nice
treat
shirt.
yourself. Shirts, key tags.
Nice shirt.
Get them while they're here. Get them while they're hot. Get them while they're fresh. That's all we got for you guys today.
And then we got more stuff coming. You'll see. Some,
we got good stuff.
Some limited edition stuff. Peace out. Stay committed.
Hey! That's not how we're ending it. We do
Why?
gotta go. It's getting dark. We gotta go karting. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you next time. Peace out, sick man.